Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy snack lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. The secret to perfectly crispy roasted makhana starts with the right ingredient measurements. Here's the roasted makhana recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy. Roasted makhana is a popular healthy Indian snack made with fox nuts, salt, and flavorful spices, creating a light, crunchy, and nutritious treat that's easy to prepare at home. It's widely enjoyed across India as a healthy alternative to fried snacks because it's low in fat, rich in protein, calcium, and antioxidants. It also makes an excellent tea-time snack. Simply enter the required makhana quantity in grams, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements. There's no need for manual calculations, making it easy to prepare exactly the quantity you need, whether you are roasting a small batch or a larger one. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, cook time, total time, course, diet type, difficulty level, calories, and the pan roast cooking method. You'll also find helpful cooking notes, famous info highlights, and an estimated nutrition summary with calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Personalize your roasted makhana with optional add-ons like ghee, chaat masala, chili powder, or curry leaves for extra flavor and variety. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the quantity you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps guide you through every stage, from roasting until storage. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, heat a thick bottom pan or karai over low to medium flame and allow the ghee or oil to warm slightly. Add the makhana and roast it slowly for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring continuously to prevent burning and ensure even roasting. To check whether it's ready, press one roasted makhana between your fingers. It should break easily, showing that it has become perfectly crisp. Add the salt, black pepper, turmeric, and any optional seasonings, then mix everything gently on low flame for another 1 to 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and allow the roasted makhana to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container to maintain its crisp texture. Slow roasting on low flame is the secret to achieving a light, crunchy texture, as highlighted in the cooking notes. Accurate ingredient measurements help you prepare perfectly roasted homemade makhana with confidence every single time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.